evil, for it is goodness that stands the test of time. Let us see it in the poem, The Inchcape Rock by Robert Sadie. No star in the air, no star in the sea. The ship was as still as she could be. Her sails from heaven received no motion. Her keel was steady in the ocean. Without either sign or sound of the shock, the waves flowed over the Inchcape Rock. So little they rose, so little they fell. They did not move the Inchcape Bell. The good old abbot of Aberbrothock had placed that bell on the Inchcape Rock. On a buoy in the storm, it floated and swung, and over the waves its warning rung. When the rock was hit by the surge's swell, the mariners heard the warning bell, and then they knew the perilous rock and blessed the abbot of Aberbrothock. The sun in heaven was shining gay. All things were joyful on that day. The seabirds screamed as they wheeled around, and there was joyance in their sound. The buoy of the Inchcape Bell was seen, a darker speck on the ocean green. Sir Ralph the rowboat walked his deck, and he fixed his eyes on the darker speck. He felt the cheering power of spring. It made him whistle, it made him sing. His heart was mirthful to excess, but the rower's mirth was wickedness. His eyes was on the Inchcape float. Coatie, my men, put out the boat and row me to the Inchcape Rock, and I'll play the priest of Aberbrothock. The boat is lowered, the boatmen row, and to the Inchcape Rock they go. Sir Ralph the rower bent over from his boat, and he cut the bell from the Inchcape float. Down sunk the bell with a gurgling sound. The bubbles rose and burst around. Quoth Sir Ralph, the next who comes to the rock won't bless the priest of Aberbrothock. Sir Ralph the rower sailed away. He scoured the sea for many a day, and now, grown rich with plundered stow, he steers his course for Scotland show. So thick a haze, oh, spreads the sky. They cannot see the sun on high. The wind hath blown again all day. At evening it hath died away. On deck the rower takes his stand. So dark it is, they see no land. Quoth Sir Ralph, it will be lighter soon, for there is the dawn of the rising moon. Can't steer, said one, the breakers roar, for methinks we should be near the shore. Now where we are, I cannot tell, but I wish I could hear the Inchcape Bell. They hear no sound, the swell is strong. Though the wind hath fallen, they drift along, till the whistle strikes with a shivering shock. Oh Christ, it is the Inchcape Rock! Sir Ralph the rower tore his hair. He cursed himself in his despair. The waves rushed in on every side. The ship is sinking beneath the tide. But even in his dying fear, one dreadful sound could the rower hear. A sound as if with the Inchcape Bell, the devil below was ringing his knell.